So there are wearable trackers and there are trackers that are by the bedside. Each one can do things that are different, and to be honest with you, sometimes the data can get a little confusing. Wearable trackers can improve sleep in several different ways. Number one, just being aware that you're tracking your sleep can actually make people go to bed a little bit earlier, maybe stay in bed a little bit longer, kind of start to think and be more aware of your sleep and your sleep surroundings, number one. Number two is the data. So the data can be a little bit confusing, I will admit. Different types of devices will actually measure different types of things. So there are wearable trackers and there are trackers that are by the bedside. Each one can do things that are different, and to be honest with you, sometimes the data can get a little confusing. So a wearable tracker like this one really works on something called accelerometry. So accelerometry is movement. If I'm moving, I'm not asleep. If I'm not moving, I may be asleep. This one in particular actually also measures heart rate. So there's an algorithm that lets me know, am I in deep sleep or am I in light sleep? All that's really good information for you, because then you can maybe plan out what time you should go to bed, what time you should wake up, and get that consistency back in your schedule.